Okay, so the first thing you have to do is figure out if the angles are going to be equal or if they're going to add to 180. So when we look at this one right here, all the thinner angles are going to be equal and all the thicker angles will be equal. But on these shapes, it'll always be the opposite corner. So A is going to be equal to C, D equals B. Excuse me. So A equals C, D equals B. Yes. This question is asking you about D and C. Those are called adjacent, which means they're right next to each other. When you have the ones right next to each other like that, they are going to add to 180. So D plus C will equal 180. So what you do is you take your expressions here, and because they're both on the same side, you're going to put your expressions on the same side. And you're going to add them together and put them equal to 180. And then you solve for x. That's the tricky part on these that you have to figure out first. Are they going to be equal or are they adjacent and they're going to equal 180? If they're equal, you just put one on one side, one on the other side, and then combine it. If they're next to each other like this, you're going to put them on the same side and put 180 on the other side. So if you have to go across the middle, put in equals if you have to go across the middle. If they're on the same side, the equals is going to go out here. I hope that helps. I'm not sure if that was more or less confusing. Let me know. I'll keep trying.